video time. Alright, so we're in Florence. It's a holiday. Thursday. San Giovanni. I don't know what that means, but that's what it is. And we're watching the fireworks on a bridge on the Arno River. Ah, let's zoom in. You can hear the girls laughing. Let's see if I can record this Italian conversation going on and we can translate from someone. These annoying guys right here. Please do not. Sorry, it's back to this cool one. Alright, never mind. Hi, girls. Hey. Hi. Bye, girls. Bye. Ciao. Ciao. Ciao, Bella. Bella, that's right. Here, let's see if we can see the water. Pretty water with the other bridge. Pretty. Bella. Bella. Look at all these people. There's a gelati place in California. And the line is like out the door. Car. There's me sucking on my Chupa Chup lollipop, but enough to make back to cool fireworks. I don't know why the girls are singing Rihanna and Florence, but they are. They changed it up. Instead of umbrella, it's Bella. Umbrella. Pretty. I can delete all my pictures from the fireworks. Back to the annoying Italians. Ooh, and one big final one. Done. Wait, not yet. Oh wait, okay, yeah, that was done. And clap. No one's clapping. We don't clap in Florence. Oh wait, yes we do. Yes we do. We clap, we clap. That was the finale. And there you have it. Holiday from Florence. Oh, wait, time out. This is the finale. No, there's still more, but I'm gonna stop now because I think we've had enough.